Hi, this is Dina again. Welcome to Learn and Share channel. So, if you are new here, I am Dina and I'm into English. I'm here to share all of my experiences that I've learned throughout my learning journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe, learn, and share. So, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about letter I or vowel I. Letter I can be short and long. In the first case, it is actually short, but in other cases, it is long. So actually, there are some rules when it is pronounced like I and when it is pronounced like E. So, in the first case, it is short, as there is one syllable, which means there is only one vowel, has only one syllable. So, that's why it is short. Let's read them together. Tim, Tim, Kim, Kim, Kit, 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 sit, sit, bit, bit, tip, tip. So in these cases, the vowel I is actually pronounced like I. The reason is words finish to letter E. So in all cases, words finish to letter E. However, we don't pronounce the letter E here. So it means letter E is silent in all cases. However, we pronounce it like I. Let's read the words together. Ice, ice, bike, bike, like, line, line, fine, wine, time. Let's continue reading. Drive, thrive, bright, crime, price, invite, and polite. So, in these cases, we don't say the letter E. We don't pronounce the last letter E. So letter E is silent in those cases. However, we pronounce this letter like I. Okay, let's review all words one more time. I'm gonna go first. If you want to, you can repeat after me. I'm gonna give you for some time to repeat after me. Tim, Kim, kid, kit, sit, bit, tip. Okay, let's go on. Ice, bike, like, line, fine, wine, time, drive, thrive, thrive, bright, bright, crime, price, invite, polite. Okay, let's see those words in the sentences. Let's take a look at the sentences. Tim likes flying a kite. Tim likes flying a kite. Tim likes a kite. So, short, long, and long. Likes, kite. And we don't pronounce the last letter E. Likes a kite. Let's have a look at the second sentence. Kim fills the form. Kim fills the form. Both are short, Kim and fills. Kim fills. Want to thrive, dream bigger. Want to thrive, dream bigger. So in this sentence, the words thrive and bigger. Thrive and bigger. Long I, thrive. Short I, bigger. I can't ride a bike, can I? I can't ride a bike, can I? Ride, bike. Ride a bike. Both are long. Let's repeat long versions. Likes, likes. A kite, a kite. Thrive, thrive. Ride a bike. Now, let's take a look at the short versions. Tim, Kim, fills, bigger, bigger. Okay, that's it for today. I hope the lesson was helpful for you. Don't miss further lessons. Subscribe to the channel. See you. Bye-bye.